The birthday list begins with Jayton Johnson. He is holding that certificate indicating that he has recently graduated from kindergarten. A very happy birthday to you, Jayton. And this comes with love from Gaga and Papa.
And Cole Parks is 7 strong this year. All right, Cole, celebrating in Joplin.
About ready to hit the field. I love it. Kennedy Thompson, now double digits as Miss Kennedy celebrates her 10th birthday. A very happy birthday to you, Kennedy and Parsons.
Adeline Norfeliz is turning 15 years old this year in Joplin with birthday wish love coming from Grammy.
And
we've got Adeline's mother also celebrating in Joplin, Meryl Norfeliz. 38
cool
years old.
That's busy. That's a busy birthday weekend right there. Noah Mcquiston celebrating his 25th birthday. A great picture right there. Good catch too. Good catch. Noah, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from the family.
All right. And let's see.
I love it.
Jason Greenwood turning 45 years old this year. Happy birthday, Jason, in Pittsburgh.
Love that picture, Jason. Very happy birthday to you. Terry Cook with a milestone, celebrating the big 6-0. Mr. Terry, happy birthday in Jasper.
And Les Green in person. Hope you have a wonderful birthday as well.
We've got the Griffiths celebrating their 40th anniversary, surrounded by the family right there, Kenny and Linda, and they are pictured with their wonderful grandchildren. So congratulations to Kenny and Linda.
All right. Cassie Hutchinson, one of our marketing consultants here at KOAM. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
Throw another one up there, one of our account executives, Mr. Zach Wilson. Zach, a very happy birthday to you. Hope we get to see you and Cassie both later on today. I hope you guys have a marvelous birthday and happy birthday from all of us here, and thank you for everything that you do for us as well. Zach Basinger, a 25th birthday. Happy birthday to Zach in Webb City. William Radnauer turning 20 in Weir. This comes with love from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie. And we finish it off with Corey Pitts and Julie Cox as they celebrate their 14th anniversary. Congratulations, Corey and Julie in Lamar. This is where you can send